But it's, you know, I think you really realise.
How do you work those things?
Sorry?
How do you work them?
That.
Does it work?
Yeah, this one doesn't know. The wiring's not fitted. It would have been essentially just connected up to one of the terminals here, and then that would be the regimental signallers would be able to then either speak to their commanding officers or use Morse, because they've got a Morse code on that as well. These ones are more, so that's that's like a mobile phone, basically. These ones are more fixed between command posts.
Yeah. Which ones came up first then? This one? Well, that one?
Oh, very good question. This is an earlier model, that's a C-type, this is a D-type. So I'm just going to try, actually, I thought I might actually just connect the two up.
What year is this? This came out?
I don't know exactly when it came out. It does have a 1918 is that one.
Just after the war?
Well, no, during. Yeah. They were in use. Frank Richards actually has got a really interesting description of using these. So he's in his diary. Old Soldiers Never Die. He talks about using these phones. I'm just getting some wire out. It's all an absolute mess, of course. I thought get the batteries out. I might get the phones working.
Easy to wire up?
Yeah, they are actually. But obviously, because these copies that I've made, it just requires a little bit of effort and a little bit of adjustment. They do actually work once I've got them going. I have to put the batteries in the back, obviously into a modern battery holder that I've made. But the insides, they've got a generator and a bell set from like a 1920s GPO set, and then the transduction coil is from like a World War II field telephone. So this should all just go in like this.
So just normal telephone, is it in a carry box?
Basically, but it's essentially run off just 3-volt battery.
So it's like a mobile phone, like you said, but it's just a box.
It's a really heavy mobile phone.
Yes. Nice style though.
That is good. Oh, let me just sit down.
But did they always work though every time in the war, would you say, or did they have faults?
Yeah, they would get faults, but mainly the faults were if the line was broken. That was the main issue.
So they were reliable then?
Yeah, they were. What I've got to do is, now I've got the battery in, I have to test it. I have to short across the terminals and turn the handle.
Turn the handle there, is it?
Turn the handle and the bell rings. And then that. So that's working.
Is it? Oh.
I now have to undo that one. And I've got to put the battery in the other one now.
The Australian that you can get 2 heads. like you got free go. Whilst you're playing against this, everybody was
If you can, it's another matter entirely.
the only day.
I'm not sure I can get the battery. The screwdrivers on.
No, I think you have something stuck to it. But
Don't you just want to open?
Well, I need a smaller screwdriver.
Yeah, exactly. You can even tablets.
this is Auntie's job. That was actually exactly that was here, and then I had it, and so my mouth.
These ones are supposedly easy to open. So the previous models to actually get in to change the batteries, you had to unscrew the whole thing.
They seem to be really sealed tight, don't it?
Yeah.
Maybe it's been used for a while.
No, it's because these screwdrivers are too big.
Right. It's turning.
It is turning.
Your personal.